in teaching. And the most, I think the interesting part in teaching, I feel, is like teaching. A good teacher is also a learner. So teaching is and learning is like a complementary to each other.
Yeah,
so I keep learning new technologies, new things in order to keep myself updated.
Yeah, this is lifelong process.
Yes, yes. So this is how I opted teaching and comes into profession. The second question you have asked is like, how do I like manage two peoples in the
have
family?
Any kind of discussions or debate from some kind of topic? Just like because both of you are.
I think I am very fortunate to have my partner in the same domain, because when you are in the same domain, you can. The one thing that is advantage is that the partner knows what are the pains, what are the kind of challenges, what are the responsibilities that we need to take care. So he has a full understanding about your kind of things that is going in the job. The second thing, which I am more fortunate, it helped me to plan a project. We have been engaged in many projects, and we did together. It is like a big help to me. We have wrote many books together. So I think it's always good that your partner is in the same domain.
You have said that you have written a book. Can you share the names of your books, please?
Yes. So I have written Service-Oriented Architecture. This is one book I have written. This is basically for the researchers who can use as a reference book. If they want to do something in cloud computing, they can use this book. The other book is on data mining. And the two books I have written for the university as a textbook. One I have written for SRM University India. The other I have written for the university in Germany, IUBH. They are using it as a textbook. And two more books I have written that can be used by any bachelor's and master's students. They are written in general topics like on data structure and algorithms. So these are the books which I have, and there are so many articles I have written which are helping my students, the researchers, to do their research.
Yeah, that's really amazing. Life through the path which leads you just like the brightful destination. What about you, Miss?
First question was like why I choose this profession.
Yes.
So for me, like yes, we can say that it's not a matter of choice. I mean it's kind of like from the very childhood I like teaching. The reason behind this is teaching is not just a profession. You all agree that it is not just a profession. Teaching is not just something that we go to the class, we teach our student and we come back. This is not the teaching. Teaching means like if we can inspire someone, or like teachers are respected everywhere. So this one thing fascinated me most about it. Like in Hindi, there is a quote we say that Guru Govind do khade kaake lagu paye, balihari Guru aapne Govind diyo bataye. The meaning of this is a student says that in front of me, God and teacher both are in front of me. To whom I should greet first?
Yes.
To teacher or
Guruji.
to God? But the answer is we should greet our teacher first, because the teacher is the only person who introduced us to this world.
Wow.
Who teaches that who is God. Why we are saying that somebody is God? This is the teacher. So that role of teacher is very important. And you have heard that in every person's life, we say that mother is the first person to whom we should pray, because mother is the first teacher of a person. So this is the main thing which brings me to this profession.
Yeah.
And the second thing he answered, like for example, he says that yes, it is a very good thing that our life partner is from the same field in which we are. We can discuss many things, like sometimes we have some troubles in work, so we can discuss together. We can plan our future projects, future big books. Already we have written 6-7 books together. We did so many projects, we did so many research. So it is a very good thing. You need not to search anywhere else. You can do, like, you get more time. For example, you are working in the project. You can work at your university or workplace. You can work at the home also. So you give more time. So there is a lot of benefits to be in the same profession.
Yeah, that's really interesting. And have you ever feel some kind of proud or honor, just like not only as a family partner, but also co-worker? Just like for you, just like lovely wife, for you it's good lovely husband.
Yeah, it's a matter of pride.
Yes, it's always,
yes,
I
it's
feel.
always a matter of pride that I got such a partner who is like who supports me in my work also, and otherwise also as a human being. He is a very good person. He is a very sincere person. Whatever he do with full sincerity. He is a very hardworking person. So yeah, I always feel honored whenever he got some whenever he got some kind of appraisal in the university. I always feel honored. I always feel proud. I always feel myself lucky that he is my partner.
Wow, very impressive. What about you, sir? Do
The
you
same
want to
thing,
say
yes,
something?
I am also fortunate, as I said earlier, that I am fortunate to have my partner in my same domain. And I do feel very good whenever she got something, whenever she appreciated in the environment. And also she's like very much, sometimes when we have, see, everyone is having a kind of time when we have a heavy pressure from the different, works. So she is like to help me and support me that there's no problem. And so even at the office and my home also, every time I feel a supportive
And
support from
encouraged
her.
as
Yes,
well
yes.
at the
Yeah,
same
of
time.
Yes.
Perfect. And unfortunately, it's the end of our live stream or last
We
approach.
want to stop. Yeah, we
Yeah,
would like
yeah.
to prolong. We would like to
Of
continue.
course.
Okay.
Can you share with us your future goals or life, short-term goals or long-term goals as well,
Okay.
as a partnership?
As a partnership or as a teacher?
As a teacher and
Okay.
partnership.
Okay. If you talk about as a teacher, so I would like to leave some legacy for my students. For example, whatever knowledge I have, I want to pen down that in terms of knowledge, in terms of book or web content. I already have a YouTube channel, so I keep posting my videos on that YouTube channel. I have already written some book, but like my future goals are whatever I have, I should write that, or I should make a content for that so that it will be usable for my students in future. Or this is my future goal as a teacher.
Perfect.
For me also, I also always try to come up with some product or tool that can help the student or in general society, and can be as my legacy that can be used after me also. So I have a plan to come up with something, but I am being involved in doing such things. So I would like to mention that I did one project with Ajiska. It's a company in USA. We have come up with that Ajiska tool that is basically for kind of teaching learning. It's an environment where the teacher and the student both can do all the activities in a very efficient way.
This is a project, eh?
It's already done. It's we did the project I think 3 or 4 years back with the company Ajiska. Apart from that, I have been writing articles for my students, for the audience who are interested to learn new technologies. Also, I have a kind of I am making one tool, a kind of web page, you can say, where a web application. This is called as cexpertvision.com, and I have a plan to provide as much possible help to the students. So in that, there are huge material I have already kept on the web page, where the student can learn about blockchain, about the cloud computing, about the programming, about the research. More than 300 videos, lectures are there. And also they have the option, they can go through the content, they can download the content, they can watch the videos. So I am
All of the materials will be
is
linked
available.
with the
You
IT
can go to
sphere.
cexpertvision.com and you can find all things available. So all the time I was just trying to find a ways that how I can help to the student and to society.
Wow.
So in future I will keep doing the same thing.
Of course,